you can limit who can share your story into their story. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can manage who can share your Instagram story. Let's go. So first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right, which is your picture, then click on the top right, the three lines, click on that, and then you can scroll down and look for sharing and reuse, click on that. So you can see here, allow people to share your stories. So previously, I do have another video on sharing stories, how to disable, turn on and turn off. But now we have additional features. So within a couple of months, I think 6 months, we have new things already in Instagram. So you can have the option to let everyone to share your story, or followers you follow back, or you can turn it off. All right. So we turn it off, you just click off and then it is off. So this is one way you can manage who can share your stories. But I just want everyone to share my story so that I can grow my Instagram account through stories, hopefully. So yeah, so that's how you can manage or change who can share your own story. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.